Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable apps from unknown source on your Amazon Firestick device. So do you want to sideload APK on your Amazon Firestick? For that, you must enable unknown source on Firestick. Enabling unknown source on Firestick to allow you to download all the popular streaming applications such as Cinema APK, Typhoon TV, BTV, Kodi, and many more. So if you want to enable apps from unknown source on your Amazon Fire Stick device, press remote home button for 3 seconds. And here as you can see 4 options. So select the settings option, then press remote select button. So here move forward to find my Fire TV option. Once you have find my Fire TV option, then click on, then open developer option. Now here what you have to do, you need to scroll down apps from unknown source and press remote select button. When you press remote select button, a message will appear on your screen. So select turn on. So here as you can see, apps from unknown source has been enabled. It means Firestick jailbreak. Now go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. So you can use this method to enable apps from unknown source on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video is really helpful for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button, and subscribe button. And if you have any question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.